Everyone, it's Monday, May 11th. We're only going to be doing our reading for 3 days this week. On Thursday, we're going to have field day. Try to join with your class. And on Friday, we'll be turning in any Chromebooks you borrowed or things like that. So let's start with today, Monday. Rhyme recognition. Repeat after me. Ran, fan. Yep, ran, fan, rhyme. Through him. Nope, they don't rhyme. Town, frown. Yep, town and frown rhyme. Stare, hair. Thumbs up, stare, hair, rhyme. Up, do. Nope, up and do don't rhyme. Okay, onset fluency, that's the beginning sound. Repeat after me. Row, right, 10, table, t. Down, dirt, d. Hug, heat, h. Geese, get, g. Okay, great job. We're going to blend our onset and our rhyme. And ran. G, own, gown. K, at, cat. D, og, dog. K, id, kid. Okay, great job. Middle sounds, medial sounds. Ack, ah. Your turn. T, n, W, if, I. L, ok, ah. K, ut, Okay, great job. Get out your choppers. Repeat after me. Hug, ugh. Town, own. For, or. Night, ite. Leap, eep. Good job, guys. Okay, we're going to add a phoneme. We're going to start with ack, add b at the beginning to make ack, back. Good. Start with n, add put at the beginning to make pen. Start with in, add f at the beginning to make fin. Start with ot, add put at the beginning to make pot. Start with ut, add cut at the beginning to make cut. Good job. Now we're going to delete part of our phoneme. We start with the word sat, take away s. What's left? At. We start with the word bell, take away b. What's left? L. We start with the word tick, take away t. What's left? Ick. We start with the word hop, take away h. What's left? Op. We start with the word luck, take away ul. What's left? Uck. Good job. New nursery rhyme this week. I heard this one when I was little. We'll see if you've heard it before. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Okay, that's all we've got so far. We'll see if you guys can memorize some more tomorrow. Bye.